Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you an amazing coin vanishing technique which is called the French drop coin vanish. If you are an old subscriber of my channel, you might have seen my old coin magic trick tutorials where I needed to vanish a coin or maybe do a coin retention. Then I use this technique, the French drop technique, because this is one of the coolest and the best ways of doing a coin vanish, and that's also impromptu. In all of those tutorials, I showed you how to do a French drop, but I never explained to you the exact French drop technique. The time when you actually drop the coin and the perfect angle for dropping this technique. None of this I have explained in all of those videos. So today I'm making a video where I'm going to explain you two ways of doing the French drop. The first one will be the basic one, which is the actual French dropping technique, and the second one will be a little bit upgraded one where I'm going to teach you the variation of the original French drop but with a different grip which looks more practical than the original one. And in the end of this tutorial, I'm going to link you to another video where you can learn another cool variation of this French drop technique, which I actually can't do but I find it really cool. So I'm going to link you to that video so that you can learn that variation too if you want to. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Shariq Shafi. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is the performance of the basic French drop coin vanish. So I have this coin, I'm going to hold the coin just like this, and I'm actually going to take the coin just like this and snap my finger, it vanishes. So this is the basic one. Now this one is the vanish with the variation. You can see I have this coin, I'm going to hold the coin just like this, I'm going to take this, snap my finger, and the coin vanishes, right? Let's see how you can do this French drop coin vanishing technique. So here is the tutorial for this French drop coin vanish, and for those people who are new to this coin vanish, this is what actually happens. You hold the coin in this grip like this, and as you take the coin, you are actually pretending to take the coin in this hand. In reality, you are keeping the coin right over here. You are doing a coin retention, okay? And from the exposed view, it looks just like this. You have this coin, as you can see, okay? And you're going to hold it in this grip, and as you pretend to take the coin, you have actually dropped the coin into this point, okay? And this is how this French drop is actually done. Now, this is just the overview of the French drop. So right now we are going to get into the details. At first, we are going to learn the basic French dropping technique. And in the basic French dropping technique, what you actually do is you keep your fingers closed and you make a scoop-like structure where the coin will drop itself, okay? And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to take this coin, keep it on the tip of your middle finger, and you're going to hold it with the thumb just like this, okay? So that you have this scoop-like structure right over here and the coin right over here. So as you have this coin over here, what you're going to do is you're just going to use your other hand to go near the coin and grab it. And you're going to close your fingers of the other hand and make this thumb pass through this point, okay? Pass through this hole between the coin, the thumb, and your index finger. You're going to make your thumb pass through that point. And as soon as the thumb passes through this point, you're going to just close the hand and you're going to pretend to take the coin in this hand. And as soon as you close the hand, you're going to drop the coin at the same moment. Not after closing the hand, you're going to drop the coin, because that time it won't be swift. The coin vanish won't be swift and it would look very fishy. So for that reason, you're going to drop the coin as soon as you close your hand. So you close your hand and you drop the coin. This is what happens. This is what happens in real time. And while you're doing the vanish in real life, if you do the dropping and the closing at the same time, it would look just like this, right? So what you do is you come over here, make your thumb pass through this point, and afterwards when you actually pretend to grab the coin, you drop it, and then you close this fist, pretending that the coin is right over here. You move this hand away from this hand so that the spectator thinks that the coin is over here. So it looks just like this, okay? Now make sure that you're actually doing it at your chest level, because if you are doing it on your waist level, the spectator will be able to see the coin, okay? The spectator will be able to see the coin is actually in the retention position of your hand, or in the finger palm position of your hand. So you need to make this coin vanish, you need to do this coin vanish or perform this coin vanish at your chest level, so that the spectators doesn't know where the coin is actually going. So you take the coin just like this, and you actually scoop the coin right over here, you drop the coin right over here, and you snap your finger and vanish the coin just like that. So that is what the basic coin vanish is. Now for the one that I do, which looks more practical, because I don't do it in this way, I actually do it in this way. In this way, you are making a scoop which is pretty much visible to the spectator from the outside. So it might be possible that the spectator will actually take it for granted. Even if he thinks that the coin is over here, he or she will take it for granted that you have dropped the coin into this position, because you have made a scoop like structure. So for that reason, I hold the coin just like this. I don't hold the coin like this, I hold it just like this. And what I do is I tilt all these fingers to the ground level and keep my pinky finger a little bit upside, so that if the coin falls, the coin won't slide away and fall onto the ground. Okay, so it would get stuck on the side of the middle finger, sorry, the pinky finger. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the coin just like this and then do the entire French drop. You're going to just come over here, and as soon as you close your hand, you're going to drop the coin just like this. Okay, it's visible because I didn't do it tilted, because I need to actually adjust myself to the camera level. But while you're doing it in real life, you're going to do it at your chest level, so that the spectator doesn't understand this. So this is what happens. You hold the coin just like this, not like this, just like this, and then as you come over here and take the coin, it looks like that you have taken the coin right over here. So nobody is going to suspect you that you have created a scoop over here and dropped the coin right here. Now after doing this French drop technique, if you want to completely vanish the coin, what you can do is you can just pretend to have the coin over here. You have done the French drop technique already. The coin is in this hand. You just simply relax this hand by the side of your body, and you're going to take this hand, bring it to the spectator's eye level, so that the spectator pays attention to this hand, while you actually drop this coin or ditch this coin into your side pocket. Okay, you're going to just ditch that coin right over there, and then you're going to come over here and snap your fingers, show both hands empty. That's how you completely vanish the coin using this French drop technique, and that's how you also ditch the coin in your pocket. So this is the complete coin vanishing trick if you do it like this way. So this is the entire French drop tutorial. So the difference in the basic and my performance is, in basic you're going to hold the coin just like this, making a scoop like structure right over here, and in my performance you're actually going to hold the coin from this side, and it actually looks more natural and more deceptive, right? Now there's a variation of the French drop which is done by Gibrizi, and I love that variation. I can't do that, but he does it in the basic French drop grip. He holds the coin just like this, and as soon as he comes to grab the coin, he actually turns the coin just like this. He spins the coin just like this, so that he can visually make an excuse of coming near this coin with your other hand. Otherwise your spectators can think that the coin is in this hand, you can simply just drop the coin over here and then squeeze it to vanish. But you need to actually pretend to take the coin in this hand, and if you're coming here with the other hand, you need to have some gestures or any normal movements which will explain to the spectator why you are actually coming here with the other hand. And Gibrizi actually explains that very well, because he comes over here to spin the coin, and as he spins the coin, his thumb is right over here, and then he also creates a visual excuse of taking the coin right in this hand. So he does it just like this. Okay, I'm not so much swift like him, but he does it like that. And if you want to do it in my version, you're not going to hold the coin in this grip, you're going to hold the coin in this grip, and then you're going to take the coin in this hand. Pretend to take the coin in this hand after you have spinned the coin. So that is a variation that Gibrizi does. I'm not good at that variation, so I'll link to his video in the description box. So make sure to check that video out if you want to learn his way of doing this French drop coin vanish. So that's it for the entire tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this French drop coin vanish tutorial. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Shol_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Wizard Please Savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.